An IPO is an initial public offering. It's the first time a stock is offered for sale to the general population. Now, as the firm taking the company public, we set the initial sales price and sold those shares right back to our friends. Look, I know you're not following what I'm saying anyway, right? That's okay, that doesn't matter. The real question is this: was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
Stock market. Gambling. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this episode 1 of Learning Stock Market Basics, we shall be discussing on topic: what is stock market? The stock market is like a gigantic marketplace, where people can buy and sell ownership shares of publicly traded companies.
These shares are known as stocks or equities. When you buy a stock, you become a partial owner of that company. Imagine a company wants to raise money to expand its business. Instead of taking out loans, they can issue stocks to the public. Investors can buy these stocks, providing the company with the necessary funds. The stock market operates through exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. These exchanges act as platforms, where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. Stock prices are determined by the forces of supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. If more people want to sell, its price goes down. Let's take an example. Suppose Company A's stock is in high demand, due to positive news about its new product. As more people rush to buy Company A's stock, the price per share rises. On the other hand, Company B faces some challenges, causing a decrease in confidence among investors. This leads to more people selling Company B's stock, driving the price down. The stock market experiences bull and bear markets. In a bull market, the overall market is rising, and stock prices are going up. In contrast, a bear market signifies falling stock prices and a pessimistic outlook. For instance, if the S&P 500 rises, it means the collective value of the 500 companies it represents is increasing, and the overall market is doing well. Conversely, if the Dow Jones falls, it indicates that the 30 large companies it tracks are facing challenges, affecting the market negatively. Investing in the stock market can offer significant returns over time, but it comes with risks. Prices can be volatile, and companies can face unexpected challenges that affect stock values. Lastly, successful investing often requires a long-term perspective. The stock market tends to reward patient investors who stay invested through market ups and downs.